Mango, you're enjoying your new house, huh? Woo! You can really see the true size of this building. Look at that. We have a flight out of Florida in 2 hours. This is massive. These are some of the largest silver sides I've ever seen in my life. Look at the size of that bait. Oh my. So in this thing, I think we're gonna drop a bunch in right here. They're ready. They're ready. Wow. Whoa, what the heck? What is going on, Cuffaro? Welcome back to another video. Before I start today's video, I want to tell you I'm giving away a GoPro Hero 8. All you gotta do to enter is smash that like button, of course, on this video, and then go to the link down below, click that link, and follow the couple of rules there. Free GoPro, could be yours. I was telling you about my little clampers. Check this out, I'll show you how it's done. Ready? Woo! What about that platinum down there? Boom, right into his mouth. That is why I love these. Eat up, my kids. Eat up. Anyway, Cuffaros, we're going on a trip today. Last time we went on a trip, we went to St. Thomas, filmed a baller snorkel video. It did actually fantastic, y'all loved it. I got little squirrels chewing through my plastic here. Hello everyone, good morning. Like I had said though, we're going on a trip today. We have a flight out of Florida in 2 hours. I haven't seen this person that we're going to visit in a very long time, and he's got a new facility that we're gonna see as well. Do you have any idea who that could be? Comment it down below. Big old scoop. There you go, guys. Eat up, all right, Oscar? Eat up. Oh, they said thank you. Mango, you're enjoying your new house, huh? Huh, buddy? Let's go. There you go, half there. Breakfast. What do they have here? Lady May, Mango, in their new enclosure. As you know, we got the paint right here for this house. Just gotta get gotta get that painted. Bye, Lady May. Be back in like 24 hours. What I'm looking at right here behind me is truly just immaculate. Step 2 is officially done with the 1,400 square foot fish building. I'm gonna roll the clip from yesterday when all this went down. Check this out. Step 2 of the entire fish room project is done. As you know, if you've been watching, you've seen step 1 was dirt. We brought in 15 truckloads of dirt, loaded this backyard up, and built the pad for the building. Now the form board is up. The form board was what I was telling you guys was next, and that is essentially you're building the frame of the concrete slab. Whoop, bam! There it is, boys and girls. It looks incredible. So now you could really see the true size of this building. Look at that. Just insane. Like, wow. Picture it, just picture it. The pond right here, and we'll still have so much more room. Like, there's gonna still be so much more room around us, and the pond will probably just cover like that much, so it'll leave us with all of this. Where I'm gonna build a massive saltwater pond, probably a lagoon for... Well, I got so many plans that I want to do inside this building. It's mind-boggling. But I mean, this right here, just truly incredible. Massive, massive. And you could really see it on the drone. Boom, that is it, Cuffaros. I mean, is that not just incredible? The true size of it. There it is. Step 2 complete. Guess what the next step is? Concrete. Concrete slab will be poured, and you will actually see the slab of the building. And then after the concrete's poured, it's 15 days and the building goes up, bam, just like that, 1 or 2 days max. Anyway, wow, wow, wow. Check it out, Cuffaros. Insane to me. It's really like clicking now, you know? I'm like looking at it, I'm like, this is real. And it's honestly a big thanks to y'all that watch every single video consistently. I appreciate you so much. Yesterday, literally like 2 a.m., I was just going through all the comments of last video, liking, commenting back, trying to get back to as many of you as possible. So if you do comment, trust me, I see like 99% of them, and I appreciate you for even just watching. If you don't comment, this stuff right here is truly not possible without any of you that watch all the videos consistently, you Cuffaros out there, and as well as, of course, our amazing sponsors throughout this entire journey that have made a lot of this possible as well. Without further ado, I got like an hour and a half to get to the airport and catch this flight, so let's go. Look at this guy. Living in New York now.
I know,
That's
man.
Crazy. We have made it to Copeg in Long Island, New York. This is actually, I was born in Huntington, Long Island, but I obviously moved to Florida when I was super young, like 4 years old. But it's crazy to be here, like standing here. I was just at my house a couple hours ago. This is the new Predatory Fins. Y'all know Rodrigo from Predatory Fins. Him and his partner, Kevin, have moved over to this giant location over here. This is massive, and yeah. There's a lot to show you. Now, it's obviously not even open to public. There's not much is even quite done yet, literally. You're getting the behind the scenes look at it.
Look how blue the water here is.
Oh my goodness. I didn't even know there's water in there. Did you buff out the glass?
Yeah, we cleaned it all
good.
out. One came over.
Crazy.
Cleaned it all out.
Wow, that's a big old tank. Would you buy a forklift?
No, I brought that one from Florida.
Wow. You know, because that's a change.
Many years, bro.
Cranking. We're huge.
So, you know about him, right? He's got...
Yeah, the seizures,
So
right?
he was half dead. I mean, 99% dead. Right now, he can't see. He's still
Hey, buddy.
recovering. But I don't see him walking to the walls anymore. Dude,
Yeah.
when I tell you this dog was dead, when I went to the vet...
You brought him back to life.
Bro, the vet was like, 12,000. I said, no, let me take him. She goes, if you take him, he's dead. I said, well, I'd rather him die with me.
Yeah.
And look at him.
Going strong.
I'm hoping his vision can come back, but if not, then at least he'll learn how to, you know, live blind.
Look how big this is. That is crazy. This is big money moves, man. Alligator gar, arapaima, piranhas, you name it, we got it here because it's New York.
I think piranha, you might need a permit, but everything else, you're good.
Look at that. What do we got? Oscars.
Bumblebee Oscars,
Arowana. Yo. Wow. Whoa, what the heck?
That's a yellow tailberry.
Dude, I've never seen the peacock like that in my life.
You want one? I got you.
Of course I want one.
This is the stuff I had in Florida. Look,
little arapaima
growing.
Little arapaimas.
Phantom, yellow gar.
Oh, so you got a little bit of fish.
Bumblebee Oscars.
So you're cranking out some inventory. Yeah.
Tigerfish.
Tigerfish. That's the ones that Jeremy Wade on River Monsters catches those things till they get huge. Their teeth.
Predatory fish for well. And this is Bob, bro.
There's a lot to show you. Of course, we literally just walked in. Once the lights kick on, and we're gonna, of course, feed and stuff like that. I'm gonna pick the camera back up, but I'm just gonna experience this with the camera. It's the next day and we're defrosting some silver sides to feed all the monster fish, and I'm stoked about it. While we wait on the frozen food to defrost, we've got a net right here and a whole lot of live fish. We're gonna feed some peacocks, tigerfish, and a couple other things just for the time being. Scoop! How many can we get? All right. Dude. That is insane. Those are the Dorados. Yeah. Those are sick. Golden Dorados. Look at all these Oscars. There is like a lot of really cool fish here still, like, and he doesn't even have full inventory yet. Like, this is just a little wholesaling side. 3,600 gallon, we have a big one of these Raphael catfish right here. We don't have one of these because every time I get one, they jump out. So until we have something very situated, which I have plans for in the fish room, we won't see another arowana. We're gonna feed these guys some of those silver sides that we're defrosting. Oh, arapaima. Oh, he's ready to go. He's ready to go. He's ready to eat. These are some of the largest silver sides I've ever seen in my life. Look at the size of that bait. It's crazy. So we got a bunch of silver sides, scaled, taking the head off, cut the tail, and look at all these giant fish. Oh my gosh, the arapaimas are... Oh my gosh,
You were scared with this little guy,
yeah,
but you weren't scared with the big one?
It honestly scared me. Oh, the next shred. Look at them, look at them. Oh gosh, they're ready. They're ready. Woohoo! Woo! Oh, he's got one. He got it. Bunch of prune sharks. They look fired up. Oh yeah, they look fired up. Oh my gosh, it's kind of scary, I'm not gonna lie. So in this thing, I think we're gonna drop a bunch in right here and just see what happens. Dude, that is crazy. They are so big. Oh! Oh! Oh, I'm sick. Oh! Oh! The gar, the short body alligator gar right here, and the other two alligator gar. There's a lot of fish in here, it's just covered. Here it comes. Oh my God. It is officially time for me to go back to Florida though. This was a quick trip over to New York, the new predatory fins. Glad I could take you along with me and for you to be able to see this. This
See everything.
It's gonna be crazy,
Everything.
huh?
Dude, life is good.
Dude, you guys sacrificed everything for this place, like truly. And it is awesome, it's beautiful. Unfortunately, I have to leave and go, no, fortunately, I'm trying to get excited and happy for Rodrigo and Kevin. This place is gonna be epic. We gotta go back home though. It's crazy how fast you could just travel so many miles with the flick of a camera. Here we go, we're back in Florida in 3, 2, 1. I've got all my permitting hung on right here because we have inspection for the building next. Ignore my hat hair, I know it's crazy. But it actually looks different than when I even showed you 2 days ago. This video's like 3 days long. Check it out. Look at this. So we sprayed it for bugs or something, I don't know. And we actually have rebar inside our footer right here, all the way around. Literally concrete is our next step and it's not too far away, just a couple days, June 22nd. I also reinforced Lady May's and Mango's enclosure. We just had to put some wood at the bottom here. They didn't get out, but I just foreshadowed that happening. So I was like, you know, I'm just gonna do it. Say bye, goats. We'll see you guys in the next one, all right? Love ya. Peace.